Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're well and keeping safe. Welcome back to another one. Today we will find ourselves looking at this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq, right? And you know what? I'm seeing a beautiful opportunity actually opening up on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq, right? And just to start off with our actual our 15-minute time frame, right? Listen, equal highs, equal lows, as we are always saying on the sexual channel, right? These are the areas where we do have some liquidity resting, right? Above equal highs, we have liquidity. Below equal lows, we have liquidity as well, right? And on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq, we can basically see that we did find ourselves creating some relatively equal highs. And currently, we can see that those equal highs are basically being violated, right? And with these actual areas being violated, that this is a clear indication that we can potentially see that actual shift back towards the downside. But does this mean that, we will find ourselves having that overall move back towards the downside? No, not necessarily, right? And this is simply because we can see that we did find ourselves taking out sell side liquidity right over here. And with us basically taking out sell side liquidity, right, we can see that we do have a beautiful breaker that is coming through right over here, right? So can the New York Stock Exchange find itself having that shift back to this, back into this region right over here for a potential shift back towards the upside, right? There is a high possibility of us basically doing just that, right? Basically something like this. I will give the trade a little bit of breathing space, right? Where we can basically see some sort of initial downside momentum and then a beautiful push back towards the downside. It is currently around about 30 odd pips back towards the downside, which is pretty clean, right? So I will find myself going to my actual H1 time frame, my 1 minute time frame, and just find myself monitoring price right over here. Currently, we can see that, it is 15:30, or half past 9 New York time, and we can see that, the New York Stock Exchange is finding itself coming through as if now, right? So all I'm basically now finding myself doing now is literally just waiting for price to have it tap back into this region and then have that actual shift back towards the upside, right? Pretty clean and quite simple, right? Really much simple. So as if now, all I'm gonna find myself doing is literally just, I'm gonna forward price a little bit from here onwards, right? Unfortunately for you guys, this will be a short, a short content, but unfortunately for me, it will be quite a lengthy one. So let's get it. While you are waiting, make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I highly appreciate each and every single one of you. Let's go. Take profit smack to the T. To the T. If you guys would love to find out, you know what, how I'm finding myself trading, that you can find yourself joining me with my actual Patreon page. It will come with a cost of $7. That if you guys are wondering which brokerage I'm finding myself using, I am using XM as my brokerage. The link will be in my description. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm out.